My name is Lydia and I currently live in Cardiff, and I visit the family farm weekly to check on my mum and our new glamping business venture.
I'm Linda Davis. I live at Tearshire Farm, Bedwas. My late husband John inherited the farm. It's a 200-acre, predominantly hill farm with a few flat spaces.
My late father's wish was to generate value from the farm. However, he could see that farming as a practice had become harder and harder due to a number of factors over the years. So he wished for us to find alternative ways of generating value from the farm. He made the step of building the stables as the first kind of stage of diversification for the farm. And we've decided to carry on that spirit by moving into tourism and kind of rural experiences for people.
We're very lucky to have a resource here that is, it's ours. We've spent a lot of time cultivating it and curating it into an area that we want, and we want to be in a position where we can share that with people.
In terms of why we chose glamping pods, or small cabins in particular, they offer very nice luxury while still being very much kind of nature orientated. And it really did just make use of the beautiful scenery and the ecosystem around the farm as well. Sustainability was a very big factor for the pod. We have a lot of resources on the farm, and as kind of farming practices go, we always like to reuse and repurpose whatever materials we can.
We wanted some support and we wanted some direction.
Farming Connect have helped us in a number of ways. They've offered us workshops, like we went to a social media workshop, which is very important for promoting the business. They also connected us with a local mentor for succession planning for the farm.
The workshops that Farming Connect have helped us with have been invaluable. We've managed to find our demographic, we've managed to target audience with campaigning, and building our online presence is so important to us, and Farming Connect has been instrumental in that.
It was more than help, it was somebody who knew how to apply it in a farming setting.
Doing the farming succession planning or consultation with Sian, it helped us to narrow down into a single vision of something that was tangible and feasible. Working with family, it can cause some friction in the early days. Having Sian's involvement as more of a coach and a mentor, and guiding us in the right direction and showing us how we should be approaching things as a family. Without Sian, I don't think we would have been able to align our thoughts and our ideas. We'll always have animals here, but it's just a case of doing what is best for us and keeping the farm alive.
I think they've done absolutely marvellously. I think if John was still alive, he'd be very proud of them. And as a Welsh learner, Bendigedig.